Okay, this is the Olight OSIGHT. They just sent me this. Do an unboxing. Oh, where's my knife? Come on, come out of there, damn it. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. That's the sight. I guess this is where the charger connects to. Seems like a decent sized window. Got your elevation and your windage adjustments on the side and on the top, on the back here. And this is rechargeable, so it's supposed to be rechargeable. Let's see. Look at that shit. That's cool. Has a little indicator. What does that say? 25, probably 50, 75, and then 100. And this looks like you could leave it on the slide while it's charging, which is pretty fucking cool. Oh, this little button on the side tells you where this is at when this turns off. Tells you how much charge you got on there. And then this, obviously, you have to recharge this little charging pack here. This has its own battery level indicator. Let's just get this out of here. What else comes in the box? Well, that's nice. Thank you for being a part of Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy. That's nice of them. What else comes in here? Let's see. User manual. What the fuck is this? Come on. Oh shit. Little travel bag and a cleaning wipe. What is this now? Charging cable and a tool with a little skull face on it. That's pretty cool. Here's a charger. This is USB-C. Can I open this goddamn thing? Trying not to open it like a savage. But looks like just gotta cut it. Everything seems like it's packaged together real nice. What does this shit say? Screws. Oh, these are the different size screws that they give you to mount them. Everything is packaged real well. Kind of reminds me of like Apple packaging when you open up Apple products. They have everything organized in little boxes and shit. So let's see what this thing says now. This will probably tell me which screws to mount to what. Safety warnings. Nobody cares about that. Just kidding. So it has the cover, manual on, tells you what comes in the box. But where the fuck is the manual auto? Oh, this has auto on, auto off. Interesting. Manual brightness adjustment. There's energy saving. Turns off when you put it on a charger. 1 MOA per click on the adjustments when you're zeroing the sight. Once I get this mounted, I'm going to compare it to the Trigicon RMR that I have and the Swamp Fox. I think Liberty. I forget which one it is. I think it's the Liberty. They're all pretty much about the same size. So let's get this mounted, and can't show the mounting of it because all of these apps, TikTok, YouTube, are all communists, and they like to, you know, fuck around with people doing gun content and shit. But it's not a gun. It's only a sight. Decent sized window though. We'll see how it holds up on 0. But for now, let's get it mounted. I'll be back.